Let's think about how iron came to existence. Let's think about where iron came from. According to astrophysicists, iron, like all other heavy elements, is created in the center of massive stars and is expelled into space once these stars explore as supernovae at the end of their lives. The material then mixes with the interstellar matter and may form new stars and planetary systems. The most abundant metal in Earth is known to be iron, because the outer core of the Earth is filled with iron and nickel liquid alloys. Therefore, iron makes up to 34% of the Earth's mass and is fourth most abundant element in the crust. That's why iron makes up to 5% of the Earth's crust and 70% of the Earth's cores. In Earth, iron exists in several forms, such as carbonates and oxide, representatively, in the form of hematite, magnetite, and ilmenite. And then some iron exists in the form of sulphite. According to the stats, 800 billion tons of iron ore resources are available. This contains more than 230 billion tons of iron. Representative minerals are, as I talked to you previously, hematite, magnetite, goethite, and some are in the form of pyrites, some other mineral in the form of ilmenites. Then think about how iron ore formed in the beginning. Over 1.8 billion years ago, Earth's oceans contained abundant dissolved iron in the form of Fe2+, but almost no dissolved oxygen available. The iron ore deposit began forming when the first organism capable of photosynthesis began releasing oxygen into the waters. This oxygen immediately combined with the abundant dissolved iron to produce hematite or magnetite. These minerals deposited on the seafloor in great abundance, forming what are now known as banded iron formation. Banded iron formation was in the form of hematite mostly. This kind of iron ore are enriched in Australia or Brazil, which used to be seafloor when the iron ore formed.